Hello everyone, it's Adele from REEP. This week I'm going to be showing you how to paint your own mural for your garden. So grab yourself some paints and let's get started. To paint your garden mural, you will need to find yourself a decent sized piece of thick and sturdy cardboard, big enough to really show off your design. Today I'm using acrylic paints, but you could easily use poster paints or any other paints you have with strong pigmentation. You will need a pencil to sketch your design and paintbrushes of varying sizes to add colour. Have some water ready to clean your brushes with. I'm also using a sponge for different effects, and I have some tissue paper to dry my brushes with. Be sure to cover your work surface with old newspaper or a washable cover. Start by drawing out your design using your pencil. Use page 2 of the worksheet for inspiration for your design. You could either do a geometrical pattern or do a scene from your local area. I'm painting a scene from a bike ride that my dad and I did recently. Then, choose the paints you'd like to use and start to add some colour. If you're including trees and bushes in your design, try adding the paint using a sponge like I'm doing here, as it makes interesting patterns which could resemble leaves or flowers. Everyone paints differently, so don't think this is the only technique you can use. I like to paint quite abstractly, but you could be as detailed as you like. Over the past few weeks, the fields near my house have been filled with the yellow flowers of oilseed rape. Here's a picture from one of my walks. Farmers grow this crop to turn into rapeseed oil, used for cooking, and the leftover plants can be used to feed local livestock. The bright yellow can be seen for miles, and I thought it would be the perfect picture to include in my garden. Once you've finished painting your mural and it is completely dry, put it out on display in your garden for everyone to enjoy. I hope you all have fun painting your garden murals this week, and make sure to upload yours to Facebook and Instagram and tag REEP so that we can see what you've been up to.